Parts of speech, made easy for beginners. To understand English grammar, we must learn its 8 parts of speech. Noun, adjective, verb, interjection, pronoun, adverb, preposition, conjunction. Noun. A noun names a person, thing, place or idea. For example, cat, desk, pencil, books, student. Sentence. The teacher loves grammar. Here, teacher and grammar are 2 nouns used in above sentence. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, happy, tall, yellow, funny. Sentence. She is a kind and honest teacher. Here, kind and honest are used as adjectives describing pronoun, she. Verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describe an action, feeling or state. For example, drink, look, sing, laugh, hope. Sentence. I study English and play football every day. Here, study and play, used as verbs showing the action. Interjection. An interjection expresses a strong emotion. It is a short exclamation. For example, wow, ouch, hurry. Sentence, wow, that's amazing. Here, wow is used as an interjection to show surprise. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how often, where and when. For example, early, happily, always, carefully. Sentence, he smiled happily. Here, happily is used as an adverb to modify the verb, smiled. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. It can refer to people, places, or things. For example, he, she, it, they. Sentence, Shabazz is a teacher. He is teaching us English. Here, he is used as a pronoun to replace the noun, Shabazz. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, or direction. For example, on, in, at, under. Sentence, the star is on your head. Here, on is used as a preposition to show the place of the star. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. For example, and, but, or, so. Sentence, Hafiz, Azam, and Furqan are taking an online class. Here, and is used as a conjunction to join the words Hafiz, Azam, and Furqan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future informative videos. See you in the next lesson.